Are you tired of stock market losses? Tired of hundreds of boring indicators and the frequent drawdowns? Do you want to understand how to trade markets without indicators? How institutions cheating the retail traders and how to make fair and consistent trading methods? The answer is I3T3 Mega Webinar, India's most comprehensive and 100% money-back guarantee training program for stock market investing and trading. And what do you learn from this webinar? Techno fundamental investing, WD Gann techniques, precision price action trading, the option trading strategies, Algo Trading, and also trading psychologies. So it is a package of 200 world-class investing and trading books jam-packed into the 12 days of webinar. And what you can expect from I3T3, genuine training program with examples and assignments, no indicators, real-life examples, proven and reliable methods. And what you shouldn't be expecting is holy grail formulas, zero loss strategies, 90% win rate stories, get quick rich Ponzi schemes. And we also have students across the globe. The three things I3T always promises is 100% money back guarantee program, 100% brokerage credit, 100% lifetime learning. But that's not it. We have an early bird offer for you at just 35,000 rupees for first 25 students. So how do you enroll the I3T program? Simple. Just log on to www.i3t3.in or contact our webinar manager